Hi guys, so this is my fabric I got for a gown, and some of you asked me to show you how I pinned it for a client. So I cut the width of the fabric just enough to be able to cover her chest, and then for top piece I needed something heavy, so I chose this necklace. I already had it in hand. So let me show you what I did. On the mannequin, I'm pinning in pleats, so it looks nice. To create pleats in this fabric, you can see here, I actually use a stapler. There's 2 pleats here. And simple like that, this is a top. My client actually had body shorts, and she tacked this top into her shorts. The rest is one piece of fabric. It's actually 5 yards. And I start with the top, with the front. Pinning like this, so you unpin the front. When I was rigging on the client, I actually staple it to her shorts. Then it's entirely up to you if you want to wrap it around, or you want to leave it like this on the side, because you're not going to photo wrap the back. So now you have this massive amount of fabric left, and what I did I took stapler and I started creating little pleats. This fabric is super heavy, so you may need to staple it a couple times to hold it in. And from this point, it's basically how you feel you want to have it draped in on the client. That part is mostly down on them because you want to flatter their shape. And that's it. That's the dress.